Good morning. Today we will discuss our last program, that is 12th program. Write a Java program to demonstrate the use of generics. Okay, it's all about the use of generics. Our last lab program, write a Java program to demonstrate the use of generics. Let's move on to our program now. This is our generic programs. Okay, first we need to import all our import files. Then we need to create our class like as usual. Then we need to write our main, static main. Okay, next comes the important part, that is about generics. Okay, generics, if you want to define the program as generics, you need to use this line. This is very, very important. Okay, if you are using array list, means you are supposed to use like array list. Okay, like we discussed in our previous chapters. Okay, it's one of the examples for our generics. Okay, in this we are creating array list. Okay, array list string list is equal to new array list string. Okay, next we are supposed to add some elements to our array list. Okay, how we can add it? We can add using our add method. Okay, list dot add. Okay, why we are using list? Why not other thing or other variable? Because we are using it as list. For example, if you are giving your name here, you need to write your name here as well. Okay, here in this place as well. Okay, here we are using variable name list. Okay, this is our array list. Okay, now we can add elements to our array list using add method. List dot add, and this is our string. Okay, next object is add PMCS, add third year. Okay, like this you can add as many strings you want to your array list. Okay, next line is string s is equal to list dot get 0. Okay, here we are using get 0. Okay, for example, consider you have an array. Okay, this will be our array. Okay, first one will be index 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, in first index we are storing CS. In next index we are showing PMCS. Next is third year and so on. Okay, here we are just using 0, 1 and 2 since we have only 3 strings here. Okay, if you are using get 0 means by default it will take it from here. Okay, that is CS. Okay, if you are changing this value to 1 or 2, okay, it will take from the particular index. It is all about index number. Okay, get 0 indicates index number. Okay, from 0 it will start counting it, or it will start getting the value from it. Okay, next you have multiple values, right? We have multiple strings. It's not fixed like we need to read only one. Okay, you are not fixed like you are supposed to read only CS or PMCS or third year. Okay, you need to read all these strings. Okay, that's why we need to use the concept of iterator. Okay, iterator means it is for looping. Okay, for loop is like iterator, right? Okay, instead of for loop, what we are using here, iterator in Java. Okay, why we use iterator? Because we have more number of strings. We need to read all these strings. Okay, we need to read all these strings. That's why we are using iterator. Okay, using iterator, if it has any next string means it will read and automatically prints it. Okay, this is all about generics. Okay, let's have a quick revision of how to write programs for generics. First, we need to import our import files. Next, we need to have our class name. and static main. After that, we need to start writing our generic code. Okay, array list, string, list, new array list, string. Okay, this represents our generic code. Okay, after that we need to add elements to our list. Now our array list is created, empty array list is created. Okay, now we need to add elements for it. Now we have first element is CS, that will be in index 0. Next is list dot add, that is PM CS, that will be in index 1. Okay, next is third year, it will be in index 2. Okay, and so on. Okay, now we have a array list. Our array list is ready. Now we have elements in our array list, that is 0, 1, 2, total 2 elements we have. Okay, now we need to read all these elements. That's why we are starting it from the location 0, index number 0. That's why we are getting it from 0 index. Okay, since we have many strings, we need to iterate through this array list. That's why we are using array iterator. Okay, this system.out.println, this prints the elements or the strings in your array list. That's it. Okay, iterator is used to iterate multiple times through your array list. Okay, after that, since we have multiple elements or multiple strings, it will iterate and it will print each and every object or each and every string. Okay, the output will be like element is, this is our print statement, right? System.out.println, element is CS. Okay, since we are starting it from index 0, next it will be like CS, PMCS, third year. Okay, you'll get your output like this. Okay, this is about your last lab program, that is generics.